Good morning. So today's topic in the chemistry is carboxylic acid. So we will cover in this is the introduction of carboxylic acid, its classification and nomenclature, preparation of carboxylic acid, physical characteristics, chemical properties, reaction involve hydrogen atom of carboxyl group, reaction involve alcohol atom OH atom of the carboxylic group, reaction involve carboxylic group and its application. Carboxylic acid. A carboxylic acid is an organic compound that contains COOH. COOH itself made up of carboxyl group, hydroxyl group. General formula you can see here. Second is classification. It may be aliphatic or aromatic acid. Can be further classified as mono, di, tri or polycarboxylic acid depending upon the number of carboxylic group present in it. In its nomenclature for IUPAC name, these acid derives from the name of alkanes containing the same number of the carbon atom as the acid, but the ending with E of the alkene name is replaced with the suffix ionic acid. Methane, methionic acid, propane, propionic acid. For common name, it is named as the base of source from which it was isolated. Butyric acid, butyrum means butter. Formic acid, formica means ant. Next is preparation of the carboxylic acid. Preparation of carboxylic acids, oxidation of alcohols. Primary alcohols and aldehyde are oxidized to their corresponding carboxylic acid. Oxidizing agents like potassium dichromate is used. From the preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl trials are hydrolysis of alkyl trials on boiling with mineral acid or alkalis yield corresponding carboxylic acid. You can see here the reaction given below and how the carboxylic acid is prepared. Next is preparation of carboxylic acid from Grignard reagent. Carboxylic acid can be prepared by the action of the Grignard reagent with the carbon dioxide. The reaction you can see here and the manufacturing also. Next is preparation of carboxylic acid from hydrolysis of esters. Ester on boiling with concentration sodium hydroxide yields sodium salt of this acid. Salt when treated with the diHCl gives carboxylic acid. The reaction is given below, you can check. Next is by oxidative cleavage of alkanes. Alkenes when treated with the KMnO4 are cleaved at the double bond to form carboxylic acid. Next is the physical property of the carboxylic acid. First is smell. First three aliphatic acids C1 to C3 are colorless and have pungent smell. The next three acids are colorless and have unpleasant smell. Solubility. Carboxylic acid are soluble in organic solvent. They are also soluble in water due to the hydrogen bonding. As mass increases, the solubility decreases. Physical properties. Boiling point. Boiling point is higher due to H bond. It increases as size increases. So here are some formula and its boiling point. You can see tetra decanoic acid is 58 degrees Celsius. Hexadecanoic acid is 63 degrees Celsius. Octadecanoid, as boiling point is higher due to hydrogen bonding, its size increases. You can see octa 71 degrees Celsius. So you can see here. Next is melting point. It increases with the increases irregularities with the increase in molecular mass. Carboxylic acid with even number have high melting point than next lower. and higher member containing odd number of carbon atom. Like propanic acid is melting point is minus 22 degrees Celsius, butyric acid is minus 6 degrees Celsius, and pentoic acid is minus 36 degrees Celsius. So you can check here. Next are the chemical properties, means we will study three chemical properties. First is reaction involving hydrogen atom of carboxyl group. It react with the base, it react with the carbonate and bicarbonate, it react with the metal. The reaction is given here, you can see. Reaction involve hydrogen atom of carboxylic group, reaction with base, reaction with carbonate and bicarbonate, reaction with metals. Next is carboxylic acid react with lithium aluminum hydride and reduce to alcohol. You can see carboxylic acid react with HI and hydride phosphate give alkane. Next are the applications. So applications are carboxylic acid are also important in manufacturing of grease, crayons and plastics. Higher fatty acids are used in the manufacturing of soap. Organic acid are used in food, cold drinks, etc. And for example, acetic acid is used as a vinegar. Organic acid are used for the preparation of many drugs like aspirin and phenytoin. Acetic acid is used as coagulation in the manufacturing of rubber. Acetic acid is also used in the manufacturing of various dry stuff, perfume and rayons. So here we have completed this topic. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.